Superman theme today. Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emma and this is Lights, Camera, Bake.
No way!
This is my cousin Nina.
Hello.
She has a YouTube channel as well, Nina Corn B. I'll link her YouTube below, so go and subscribe. Today we are doing another fun video. Last time we filmed together we made a blindfold challenge video. I'll link that up. Oh, was it over that side? I don't know. Whatever side that little info thing comes up. So we made brownies and they were surprisingly yum.
Yeah, they were really good.
This time we're blindfolding Nina.
You should all be terrified.
Yeah, well, I'm really terrified. If I made a mess, I'm scared about how much mess you're gonna make. But anyway, we're gonna give this a go. So we've decided to make a salted caramel M&M cookie bars. So they'll be gooey and delicious and M&M-y and caramel.
And we've got caramel M&ms.
Yeah, we just found caramel M&ms, which are new in Australia. I don't even know if they've reached New Zealand yet.
Don't know.
I think they've been around in America for a bit, but yay.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get started. I'm gonna blindfold Nina.
Okay. I feel like I'm leaning to the side. Like, I feel like I'm about to fall off the side of the counter, but... Oh, what's that?
That's the spatula.
What is it? Is there any... Oh, is there stuff in there?
Yeah, there's butter in there.
Oh, that's right. Okay. How am I going?
Really well. Except you just splashed a whole lot of butter out.
Where's it? I can eat it.
Yeah.
Gradually, it doesn't taste good on its own.
I think it does.
Huh?
I think it tastes good.
No.
Yeah, you just splashed that everywhere. Doing actually really well. Okay. Do you want to add the eggs now? So you just need 2 eggs. Oh, look at you go.
How?
Getting just egg everywhere, but that's okay.
Where am I?
Here you go, here's what I let you some. Yep, you're good. That's weird how you go into like a crouch, eh?
It's a lid off.
Yeah.
Is that good? Did anything come out?
A tiny bit, just one more. A little bit more. Yep. Oh, jeez. Okay. You did what I did in the brownie one.
Oh, my hand. Yeah. That was my hand. I did it. Am I over the stove?
Wrong way.
Yes.
You managed to get butter on the floor. Yeah.
Fine.
Okay.
Oh, it's on the table.
So then give that a little mixy mix.
Well, there's the edge of the table.
Just need to break one of the yolks. It's just spinning around. Oh, you got me! How did you even get me? I'm behind the camera. You still haven't broken the yolk.
Where is it?
You still haven't broken it. You still haven't broken it.
No! Is it here?
Oh, you just broke it.
Yay!
Of flour. There's my foot. There you go. Yeah, that's the flour.
Yeah.
Where are you? That's not even a bench, that's the floor.
Yay.
Forward. That's the sink. That's rest of the sink. Yep.
Yay!
Yay!
How am I gonna put it in?
What?
How am I gonna put it in the cup?
By pouring.
Oh gosh. There?
Yep, that's the goal.
My wrist is sore.
Ah! No! Oh my gosh. No. No. Okay. Different pouring technique.
Okay.
Pour. Oh, you can't see that.
My wrist
I
hurts.
demonstrated the pouring technique. Oh, you're blinded though. I'll go from below, shall I?
Okay. Do I do anything?
Yeah, okay, so if you grab it from below, like I was, and then just pour. Yep, yep, yeah. Okay, stop. Oh my gosh.
Is that a cup?
Yeah, probably with the rest that you've put in the bowl.
Do you think that? No, I need a little bit more. The quarter.
Yeah, the quarter.
There we go.
Okay, cool. That's done. Yeah. Whoa! I am standing here.
I can't see anything. So.
Okay, of baking powder. So that's baking powder.
What is the ball? Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa! Whoa! Calm down. Calm down. No. Okay. That was nothing.
This much more?
No!
Okay.
Whoa! Yep, yep. Oh, okay. No, no on the bench. That's alright. I'll wait a little bit. Yeah. Yeah.
This is fun. I like it. I should do this more often. And fish. How about now, then? My shoulder's gone funny.
Yeah. I might just give it a mix because you will not believe how many lumps there are.
Really?
Quite honestly.
Oh!
Now,
Yeah.
I need M&ms. So there's some regular M&ms. Just tip them in. Whoa! You managed to get in the bowl just. And then just tip the caramel ones in.
Into my hand?
So you can eat them.
Yeah. Yeah. I can hear you chewing.
And then just some chocolate chips. Not the whole bag.
Where's the chips gone?
You're gonna pour them in your hand. Other way, yep. That'll do. Oh, wow. Yep, that's plenty.
Okay.
Do you want me to pour it because it's a heavy bowl?
Please.
So I'm gonna have the mixture and pour it in because it is actually really heavy. If you saw from the brownie one, I even struggled to pour it myself when I was blindfolded and it turned into a bit of a disaster, so.
My wrist is very weak, like, very.
Very weak. So we pour half of it in. Whoa, man.
Hear that flop.
Yeah, this is heavy. Ow.
Okay.
Really heavy. Oh no. So I need you to spread that in an even layer.
No,
There it is. No, you are really not getting it at all.
Calm down, I'm doing my best. That's a big lump there. Oh my god. I can feel it moving. That feels pretty even.
Should we just show what people what even means?
Yes. I'm happy with it.
You happy with it?
Yes. I thought that it was I thought that There was a rectangle one like that, and I'm like, oh yeah, so this is the edge, because it was hitting down. Like, okay, that's the edge.
No.
Oh dear Lord. And now I'm going to pour this glass of caramel in, and I had to stop myself from eating into this. Am I over it?
Yep.
Am I in it?
Yep. Wow.
Oh.
It's all in one corner, but yeah, you're going
But
good.
this is the middle.
No,
Oh, wow.
it's the corner.
Now that's a spatula, so I can spread it.
Yep.
What am I doing?
You're spreading. That's fine. It's just interesting. Got to top it with the rest of this. But I don't know if we can really do that blindfolded because it's literally will just end up like clumpy clumps.
Yeah. Agreed. Oh, really good.
I know.
Alright, can you put it into slow motion?
Yeah, I can. We're just going to top the caramel
Okay.
with this in a reasonably flat layer. I'm doing it not blindfolded because we do want to be able to eat this afterwards, and I think if it was just clumpy it won't cook and it'll just be awful. Awful!
And don't be so sad.
Like with the brownie and there's that clump of blooming like
Cocoa.
cocoa. I came across it and one of the pieces like, ew.
Oh.
Yeah. So while we eat the rest of the cookie dough, which is like half of it, we'll put that in the oven, let it cook, and we will see you soon. So we have the finished product here. Let me just show you.
It's delicious.
It looks delicious. If I tip it, it's gonna fall off the board. Oh, it looks so good.
Kind of looks like the chocolate chips are like raisins.
They do. At least they don't taste like raisins. Okay. Let me just show. Oh, look at the goo. I don't know if you can see it now. It's blurry.
What piece do I want? Is that just chocolate? I want this one.
Let's see. Stop focusing on her face. Stop focusing on her face.
Oh, I'll just leave.
Focus on this thing. Focus. 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 It's not gonna do it.
I'm really ready to eat this, you know.
Go for it. I'm just gonna have a little slip.
Oh, the caramel. The caramel, like in the middle, and it's just caramel.
That was so good. This recipe is definitely going on my blog, but with proper measurements, not best measurement.
Oh my gosh, the caramel of the M&M just started falling out.
I see. Yeah, it did. Hey.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Give this a thumbs up and comment below that you did. If you have any other ideas, any suggestions for videos, recipes, anything. Yeah, make sure you go and subscribe to Nina's channel. She just recently did a video, one of my own heart, where she made a lemon slice.
But it wasn't my recipe.
No, it
my
wasn't.
recipe.
Yeah, it wasn't my recipe. So go check that out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye.
See ya. Jazz hands.